In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Discord update failed loop on Windows 10 or 11. This process should take around 5 minutes, so let's dive in and get you back to chatting with your friends without interruption. First things first, you'll want to get into the Task Manager on your computer. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard. Upon doing so, a window should pop up, displaying a list of all the programs currently running on your system. This is your Task Manager at work, providing an overview of what's happening on your machine. Next, navigate over to the Processes tab at the top. Here, you'll need to hunt down any Discord processes that might be running. Once you spot them, click on them, and then go ahead and end those tasks. This helps ensure that Discord isn't currently using any resources, which is crucial for the next few steps. After closing the Discord processes, it's a good idea to restart your PC. This simple action can clear out any temporary glitches that might be causing the update issues. Giving your computer a quick reboot ensures that you have a fresh start for the following changes. Once your computer is back on, press the Windows key and R at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In this box, type in %appdata% and hit Enter. This command will take you to a location on your computer where various application data is stored. Look for the Discord folder in this location, and when you find it, delete it. This step clears cached data that could be preventing updates from completing properly. Following that, you'll want to search for Add or Remove programs on your computer. This will take you to a list of all installed applications. From here, locate Discord in the list, select it, and choose to uninstall it. This completely removes Discord from your system, allowing you to start fresh. Now, head over to the official Discord website and download the latest version of the Discord app. Run the installer and follow the instructions to set it up on your computer. This newly installed version will be up to date and should not have the same update loop issues you're experiencing. Finally, once Discord is reinstalled, or even if you've just cleared the cache, right-click on the Discord icon on your desktop or Start menu. Select Run as Administrator to open it. Running Discord with administrative privileges can sometimes help it work past any previous restrictions or errors. And that's it. You should now have a smoothly running Discord application without the frustrating update loop problem. If these steps helped, feel free to share this video with others who might be experiencing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.